can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell.
Wow! Yickety-kitty. Wow! Now, what bear do you want, Bobby? It is. Clap, 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 clap. You love me.
You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, would you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Sorry about that like interruption. just trying to get through some stuff because I've lost a bracelet. I've lost my Trollby bracelet, and I'm trying to find it and just tidy up. She's in her bed, tidy up and stuff. And my granddad rang. Basically, I used to have a cat called Monty. As like when I lived with my mum and dad, we had a cat called Monty, and I moved away, and so did my dad. So we gave Monty to my granddad, and he's been very ill. He's had rheumatism, arthritis, all sorts of issues, jumping and just being able to. He just generally can't walk and just very tired, lethargic, and very matted fur. Just couldn't like look after himself. And today he's been put down. He's literally just been put down. So it's hard because I feel, obviously I haven't had that cat in my life for 7-8 years, but he meant so much to my granddad, because my granddad lost my nan a while ago, and he was on his own. So I thought, I'm going to give him our cat, to make him feel better and just less lonely. And he really found it helpful. She is fine. She's just playing. And it helped him for a long time. And now Monty's gone. So I don't know. Just feel like he's on his own again. So anyway, I'm just going through all this here. This is like all my hair stuff. I don't know what to do with this, but I really want to keep it somewhere. This is my first PR package from Makeup Revolution, and I just am very grateful for this, and it just means so much to me. So I feel like I want to keep this, but it's just so big. And then I'm going to get rid of that box there. And hello, Snugs. And yeah, I'm just going to crack on and get some more tidied.
I don't know where you're at tonight.
So good. Want some juices? Juice? Ta? Juice? Ta? Yum. Mmm. Clever. Naughty. Excuse me. Excuse me. Juice? Idiot.
You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me